Hi, my name is Julie, and I'm a writer, musician, and filmmaker. I love what I do, but sometimes things can get in the way. For example, I had a routine medical checkup, and here's the bill. About a year ago, I started filming my friends in the Pittsburgh art scene for a grassroots documentary series called Healthy Artists. I really wanted to hear their healthcare stories.
I made too much money to be covered by the state programs, but I didn't make enough money to afford the good health care. So I was at this funny in-between.
I have friends that do like music that haven't been to a doctor in like 20 years because they can't afford it.
I've been working in this part-time nonprofit job for a decade, and I've never had health care through that job.
I can't dependably pay for it because I'm generally working paycheck to paycheck.
As a lower income entrepreneur, it's impossible to start a small business or have your own, to be self-employed if you don't have insurance.
I have Crohn's disease. I am currently uninsured.
This isn't just about artists. So many people in America lack access to affordable, quality healthcare, and that's really scary. 45,000 Americans die every year just because they're uninsured.
If something ever happened where it intensified or I had a severe flare-up, I really don't know what I would do. I mean, I guess I would go to the hospital and then spend the rest of my life in debt.
In 1966, Martin Luther King Jr. said, "Of all the forms of inequality, injustice in healthcare is the most shocking and inhumane." I believe a healthy democracy is founded on equality, but how can we fix a broken system? I decided to pose this question within my community, so I invited folks out for a night of art and advocacy. I was nervous. I was wondering, will people really come out on a Friday night for a night of talking about healthcare?
There's beyond anything I expected, far beyond my expectation.
For me, this series is so interesting because it takes so many disparate stories and makes them impactful and coherent.
I think it's important to understand what's going on at the policy level, then also bring it down to the community and make sure everyone understands what's going on in healthcare.
America is the only industrialized nation without universal healthcare, but if we can bring people together locally, we can do it everywhere. Now is the time to stand up. I hope you'll agree and say, healthy people make a healthy democracy.